subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new affordable smartphone under M series in India called Galaxy M32. Talking about the specifications, the Samsung Galaxy M32 features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 chipset paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy M32 supports a quad camera setup on the rear and a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 123° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 20MP camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging support, but the user will get 15W charger inside the box. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 with One UI 3.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.3 by 74 by 9.3mm and it weighs around 196 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy M32 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from June 28th in black and light blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy M32 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.